Congratulations to BPJS Kesehatan on its 56th anniversary and the 10th anniversary of Indonesia's renowned JKN program. Your journey demonstrates firm commitment to universal health coverage, a key WHO priority and SDG target. Indonesia's JKN program stands as a beacon for all countries, particularly the low and middle income countries, demonstrating how sound health policies and robust implementation has ensured nearly 98% coverage and reduced proportion of households that faced catastrophic healthcare spending from 4.4% in 2014 to less than 2% by 2021. BPJS Kesehatan's resilience and success in providing comprehensive health insurance services align perfectly with the UHC goal. On behalf of the WHO CRO, we applaud your achievements and look forward to your continued dedication in the years to come. Thank you.